Santa baby.
That's your turn.
Okay.
Yo, good morning, YouTubes. I want to start out my day making a quick video, but for some reason the computer isn't working. I can't upload. I don't know what's going on. So scratch that. I'll do it later. My main agenda is to get back down to the shop today, get some of that muriatic acid on the floor, scrub it out, really just kind of do a final sweep, kind of survey what everything's going to look like. We want to be painting by tomorrow. What is today? I want to be painting by tomorrow around 10. So I got a lot of scraping to do, pull the lights down. I got a lot of work to do down there, so that's pretty much where I'm going to spend most of my day. We got tables at Mike getting done, so that's kind of nice. Barley's supposed to be installed by Friday. I'm nervous about it, to tell you the truth. A lot of components to go together there, but we'll get it figured out. So without further ado, let's go work.
Hold up.
Cheers. As you can see, the floor is shaping up. I'm gonna do a final sweep, deep sweep. Wet everything down, spray that muriatic acid on it, and then scrub it. Go through the whole space, peel off any foam that we missed, which there's a lot of it, but just get the majority of it. Pull the lights, probably most of the lights down, and prep for paint. Look at that. What the hell? Okay. I'm no framer, but I play one on Instagram. That little guy? Don't worry about that little guy. Let me show you what's going on. I built this way out so that way there can eventually be some sliding barn doors here, which will hold scrap. Same with the other side, maybe some shelving, just like the current shop, but much bigger and much deeper. The problem with the last shop is I put everything on the wall, so it wasn't that deep. Anyways, and the current miter station is way too shallow. I wanted it deeper, so I'm adding 8 inches here. I'll mount my base cabinets here, and that's gonna fur everything out. It's only about 8 inches, which I really wanted. I wanted to be 32. The plan for today was to get everything prepped for paint. I didn't quite get there. I got some more scraping to do on the ceilings. I'll come down early in the morning tomorrow. I want to be painting by 10. So if I can come down here by 7, that'll give me 3 hours to scrape and kind of finish up. Shouldn't be a problem, get everything out of here. Floor's okay, it just needs power washed. I got a guy that's gonna bring one over. I'm just gonna probably shift it out the door and call it good. This was kind of not planned, but I thought of it today and thought, well, it was a couple $100. Let's go ahead and just do it. That way it's exactly how I want. I still don't know anything about layout. I'm not sure where anything's going. I'm not a middle of the floor kind of guy. I don't like my table saw in the middle, I don't think. So I'll probably kind of just use the layout I have now, just on a much bigger scale. Yeah, that's it for tonight. I was planning on working kind of late, but I've ran out of 2x4s already once, and I already had to make a run, so I'm not wanting to go back. So that's it for me today. That's it. See you in the morning. When I was probably, I'd say 11 or 12, we had an old Dodge Tandem grain truck that sat in the shop or the back shed for years. I was just getting old enough to really start driving a lot of equipment, and I drove forever, but I was ready for the Tandem, you know, I was ready for that truck. So Dad put it on the charger, and I'm back there just screwing around. And I said, I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna start this thing. Climb up there, hold the clutch in, make sure it's in neutral, all the steps that I knew. You know, heart's racing, I remember this day, and I turned the key. Sounded just like that. And then all of a sudden it was and then it was and then just wide open, man. And I just loud inside this old shop, and I jump out of that cab and I run inside, and I'm like, Dad, the Dodge is gonna blow up. And he's like, what? It's out of control, or whatever I said, you know. And he runs outside. I had no shoes on. I remember him running through the rocks with no shoes, and I think by the time we got back out there, it was still going, but by the time we got in the shed, it started rolling down. And I was like, what the hell? And he's like, runaway engine. Sometimes something's not right. I don't know. They've been sitting for a while. It's called a runaway engine because they usually blow up. And for some reason, this one finally gave up. But golly, I thought that thing was going to either take off, blow up. I was terrified. But I still remember running. I've never ran so fast in my life, man. It was, it was awesome. So yeah, every time I start that truck there, I think of that. Like, God, what an adrenaline rush. All right, that was it. Hi, ugly. Happy Valentine's Day, babe. Enjoy the beer. Who won Battleship?
Jackson.
Who won?
Jackson.
I won.